Peroxisomal disorders, we're going to touch on really quick. So Zellweger spectrum is the big one, and adrenoleukodystrophy is another one. Peroxisomes are needed they actually do a lot of things in the cells for how small they are. So what are they? They're ubiquitous. They're in all cells. They have an impermeable membrane to keep their functions separate. They do fatty beta oxidation, so very long chain fats. So they're involved a little bit in some energy deficiency. They make bile acids. They work on the branched chain fatty acids and eicosanoids, and they make ether phospholipid biosynthesis. So plasmalogens are really important for myelin in the brain. They're also important for red blood cells. Catalase is where hydrogen peroxide works, so it's how your body helps to attack things in white blood cells, and it's also involved in cholesterol synthesis. So peroxisomes are really important and don't get that much attention. So the biggest thing to know about is Zellweger spectrum disorders, which is where you do not make peroxisomes. So you have absent or reduced of all peroxisome functions, not just one or two. They have characteristic facies with small ears, a very tall forehead, and a large anterior fontanelle. So that's a buzzword. They get hypotonia, they get cataracts, pigmented retinopathy, they get epiphyseal stippling, which means it kind of looks like somebody just put birdshot in their joints. They have liver function abnormalities, jaundice. Zellweger spectrum disorders are a continuum. In the most severe, it can cause severe intellectual disability and death by 2. In the more mild, which includes neonatal ALD and infantile refsum, those children can survive past 2, can develop, but typically have some intellectual disability, short stature, and liver disease.